Bomb's gonna drop on the side, guys.
Beware.
Dagger bomb's down. Grab it. Grabbing it on.
Destruction.
Bomb back.
Beware.
Operator.
Destruction. Destruction. Beware.
Alright, we need to blow him up. Quickly.
One more. Alright, it's done.
We just need to kill this engineer and we're to go.
Quickly, because we're gonna lose time. Alright, phase 2, everyone get over here. Quickly.
Don't try to run through the center. You're not right there.
Swiss track.
If you have the group to blow those bombs, if you're full health.
Destruction.
All of the bombs.
We have it under control.
Beware.
Engineers first, guys. It's fucking shields. Fernfeld's way. Oh, I still got an engineer up.
Beware.
He's done. I need a drink.
Alright, get a slag on top of this guy.
By the way, far callers are the ones that put down that
Yeah, volatile fight.
bomb.
I'm drinking.
Kill Foreman.
Mount
Forgot about
rallying,
the park.
correct? I'm up.
You have one of those flags off.
Oh, shield. Shield.
One slag
Shield.
down.
Let's attack it.
Go ahead.
Beware.
Well, that's a badly placed shield.
It's okay, the primal isn't affected by it.
Oh, and it already popped. Good.
Blow her up.
I'm gonna come stand in cleaverage then.
Beware.
Alright, start moving over. Volatile players get away from everyone. Spread out, volatile. Clean up the fire crawlers.
Beware.
This one's down. Two of them down.
Get a slag on the guy. Slag's down.
Beware. Beware.
Clean up the heads. I'll get over what the fire colors are on. Green. Spread out.
Beware.
Fire colors first, guys. Get a slag. Okay, we have a slag there.
Yeah, mine's about to go down.
Alright, let's kill it.
Dez, can we get your CD next blast?
Get ready.
Slag's down.
Switch.
Beware. Beware.
Mister.
There, kill it.
Oh, nice.
Alright, kill the fire colors quickly. And the security guards.
Beware.
Clean them up a little bit before we get to the last one. Get a fucking heal off.
Slag element was going close.
Alright, yeah, let's go to
Safe.
flag over here.
Expunge, you. Run it over to the guy. He's on.
Alright, it's gonna happen now.
Burn him.
Clear loads.
Look at that deep.
Beware.
So hot.
Naz, can we get a tree form?
I don't have one.
Okay, get back my orange.
Get ready.
Pick a corner and stick in it, everyone, so we can get out of it. Start stacking the shit up.
Kill the heads.
Kill that. Not slag and elementals, just the fire callers and guards.
Can we get a Lust and Shami CDs?
Yes and no.
Got the Shami CDs.
Get the security guard down.
I had the loss for you.
Let's burn the boss. Start moving.
This
Oh my
is
god.
Start moving, guys. Move with us.
This is where you use your combat pot.
Beware.
Tell me when, mate.
You have him right now.
I mean, is this far enough?
Yeah, stop there. Move up heals.
Go, I can't heal you.
Beware.
No, there we go. We're good.
Alright, move.
Nez, can you trank?
Beware.
Right now?
No, it's sorry, it's
Move up.
hard to call.
Range, move up.
I'll keep an eye out.
Quickly, don't get trapped by that. Get out of it. Let's move
It's
on.
only you left. Actually, Swiss might have his up.
One's up.
Help your
I'll leave
healers,
it up to you,
because they
too.
need to focus on tanks.
That's mine.
Go ahead, Taunt.
Good job, guys. Halfway.
Just keep it up.
Shit, melt, middle.
Move, quick.
Pay attention when you're dropping those melts. Try to keep them out of the side.
Beware.
You gotta use your pots.
I'm going down.
Bring him up. And I'm gonna dice here soon. Big heals.
Move, melt's gonna be expanding on us. Go, back up.
There's some heals on you, me.
Thank you. Go ahead and taunt. Go ahead since you're fresh. Oh,
Got
it's
him.
you stealth 3. Oh, never mind. Just keep moving
Oh
slowly.
god.
Move slowly.
Oh god.
Melt, move, quick.
Quickly.
Beware.
Keep it going, guys.
Burn this bitch.
Yes.
Good job, guys.
Yeah.
Oh my
Fuck
god.
that asshole! Fuck
Yeah.
you! Fuck
Yeah.
you so hard! Oh my god! Oh, hey,
Oh,
good,
the
good.
black-
Oh, the
Oh,
door
the
hats.
Oh my god, that trinket.
Loot
Oh,
failure.
yeah, the trinket.
Alright, so
Oh my
hold on.
god, trinket.
Everyone pass. Everyone pass.
You forgot to do that?
Oh yes.
Do not hit the disenchant. Yeah,
I got
gotta
a
be a
new
good
net.
tip.